The fractured relationship between police and the ACT's chief prosecutor over Mr Lehrmann's trial was exposed in a letter in which Shane Drumgold called for an inquiry. Today he got his wish.
This was a high-profile trial. An independent review into the roles played by the criminal justice agencies involved is the most appropriate response.
The trial was abandoned in October after a juror's misconduct and a retrial cancelled because of concern for Ms Higgins' health. Bruce Lehrmann has maintained his innocence and there are no findings against him over the allegations he raped Ms Higgins in the office of former Minister Linda Reynolds, where they both worked.
This inquiry is not about reviewing the trial, any evidence in the trial or the outcomes of the trial.
The inquiry will instead focus on the engagement between the DPP and police in decisions about the case, the conduct of police investigators and the DPP, the support of the Victims of Crime Commissioner for Ms Higgins, and penalties for juror misconduct. The inquiry has been welcomed by most, including Bruce Lehrmann. Mr Lehrmann welcomes an inquiry and hopes the terms of reference will extend to examination of all aspects of the matter, including decisions not to prosecute various individuals and the efforts taken by the DPP to ensure a fair trial.
I think the nature of having an inquiry like this is to ensure that there is a public scrutiny of the allegations involved.
But the government's still on a nationwide hunt for someone to conduct the inquiry. Whoever it is will have to move fast, with a strict deadline of the end of June for a final report. Elizabeth Byrne, ABC News, Canberra.